Welcome back everyone to another video. Now in today's video I'll be doing a quick unboxing on this iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is the 128GB model, and I also got this Elago silicone case to put on the phone when I take it out of the box. So let's do that now. So first thing you notice with the box is that it doesn't have the usual plastic wrap around it, because Apple has actually switched to these paper pull tabs on the back, this one and this one. So I'll take them off now so we can obviously open the box. And okay, there we go. There's the first one, and then the second one. And there we go, both of them are now off. Now we can open the box and see what's inside. Well, obviously it's gonna be the phone, but you know, I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so here's the phone, and wow, it looks nice. Yeah, I know I'm already touching it. I've probably already left a greasy mark on the back, but I mean, I have to hold it anyway, so let's pull it out. And yeah, that looks really nice, I can't lie. So I've actually had a 12 Pro Max before, and I had it in, I also had it in a graphite color, and it looks the exact same pretty much, except the camera is just slightly bigger. But I mean, the screen's different, and then the sides, and then oh yeah, that's the SIM card slot. And then yeah, I guess I won't unwrap the screen yet. We'll see what's in the box first, I guess. So it's just the usual Apple stuff, I guess. The Type-C to Lightning charger. No brick in the box, obviously. And then in here we have the SIM ejection tool and Apple stickers, and then I guess some sort of I don't know what this is. All right, let's put this aside. Let's also put this aside and take a look at the phone. All right, so here it is. Let's unwrap the screen. Okay, and here it is. Yeah, so you can't really see the notch on video, but it is there, and it's really small. And I have to say, I do really like the look of this phone. All right, let's power it on. There it is. So while it is powering on, I guess I'll quickly unbox this case. So I believe this is in this color right here, this like sort of pinkish sand sort of color. Yeah, sort of, I guess. I think that this is the color. Okay, yeah, so there's the case. Let's take this out. And this, are these stickers? Oh, these are stickers. Oh, that's nice. Okay. All right. Here we have the iOS 15 setup screen. So that's pretty nice. It looks cool. All right, let's put the case on. Let's just take a look at the back one more time. All right, let's just put the case on now and see what it looks like. And yeah, that does look nice. All right, there's something here. Yeah, so it does look nice. I'm also really excited to try out the 120 hertz. I'm pretty sure it's already on. I can't really notice because I use the 120 hertz feature on my Galaxy S21 Ultra at the moment, so I'm already quite used to it. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this is 120 hertz. Obviously, you guys can't see it over the video, but yeah, it does look really, really nice. All right, I'm gonna quickly set this phone up, and I'll come back when I have that done. All right, so I'm back, and I now have the phone set up. Now, I don't really know what else to really say or really show about this phone, so I will probably end the video soon, but I guess I'll take the case off one more time just to show you guys the back. Now, like I said, this phone does look very similar to the 12 Pro Max. Just the camera is slightly bigger. Now, if I had a 12 Pro Max, I would compare these phones, but I don't. I used to, but I don't have one anymore. I guess I'll leave like a picture somewhere here of 12 Pro Max just so you guys can see what the 12 Pro Max looks like and then what this phone looks like. But yeah, I mean, I have to say this is a very nice phone. But this isn't actually my phone. I'm actually just unboxing this for someone. But yeah, no, it is a nice phone. I can't lie. And yeah, I mean, I don't really know what else to say anymore. So yeah, I guess I will just end the video here. So just before I end the video, I'd like to say that I would highly appreciate it if you guys can like and subscribe, as it really helps out my channel. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.